One of the main reasons why people consider outsourcing for tax preparation services Brighton Me is because it is time saving and does not need one to use a lot of effort. In fact, it is considered to be less costly. The tax preparation service providers are professionals who know exactly what needs to be done, and they can do it well enough. One must, however, know the qualities of a good service provider. If you want the best services available to you, you must always do your research on the market first. Know what you want exactly, then look for it. If the services you want revolve filing business income tax return, you have to find someone who is an expert in it and has been doing it for a long while. Other types of taxes that should be filled include payroll, personal income, estate income, and sales taxes. The most important qualities of a tax preparation service provider is experience. Someone who has done something for a long period of time is surely bound to know what to do and how to do it well enough. It is, however, necessary to find out the type of taxes the expert has and experience in before hiring them. Another important attribute of a good service provider is his integrity. This can be confirmed from his previous works. You can also check out his credibility by ensuring that he has a license to practice. The license should be similar to those given to CPAs, and it is the only way you can confirm that the expert is accredited to provide such services. His level of education should also be good enough. Something else to consider revolves around the customer service that the service providers will offer. What is important is how the firm answers the questions a potential client asks. If they are casual about the questions, they are certainly not the firm to hire. But a firm that answers all the questions in details and with certainty is definitely a competent firm that a person should consider taking up their services. Never overlook your budget issues. You must ensure that you have the right amount of money to pay the expert fee and still be able to cater for your own budget. The good thing about outsourcing for tax preparation service is the fact that these professionals know how to deal with the money. In this case, they will find ways to ensure you file your taxes in time and get a refund from the returns. These service providers can be easily found. It is your duty to ensure that you hire the ideal expert for your type of tax returns. It is definitely the only way to ensure that you effectively file your returns at the end of the financial year. The idea is to do your research well enough before you hire tax preparation services. Brighten Me with the right amount of groundwork. You will most probably get the most appropriate expert to prepare and file your tax returns. If you don't do your research well enough, you may end up with disappointments and problems with the IRA.